All right, today we are making a dessert in this round Rome cast iron pie iron. Stay tuned. All right, today what we're gonna make is sort of like an apple turnover using this pie iron. And it's a very simple and easy thing to do, something great to do with your kids while you're camping or at home. You can do this over a fire, in the coals, on a stove, on a grill, on a cooktop, whatever. Very simple to do. So let's just go ahead and get right to it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a piece of bread, just regular piece of American bread. Feel free to experiment. We're gonna take some butter, and all we're gonna do, we're gonna make sure we butter it good. Now, if you don't want to do this, you don't want to use butter, you can get some non-stick cooking spray and spray the pie iron. But you probably will want to use some butter anyway, because you're gonna want, what we're about to do is we're about to put some sugar on this, and this is gonna be the outside. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a little bit of sugar, and on that butter we're just going to sprinkle some, just a little bit, not a whole bunch, but we're going to take that, and that's going to cause that sugar to stick to the bread through the butter. Anyway, we're going to lay that on top. I know it's not going to fit. I know it's not going to fit. We're going to fix that in a minute. But anyway, all I did was I bought some, this is apple pie filling, and about a can of it, pretty cheap. You can do cherry, you can do whatever, peach, whatever your heart's content. But anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put some of that in there. Don't skimp on it. And then we're gonna take another slice of bread. We're gonna butter it as well. Make sure you get it good and buttered so it won't stick. We'll get all the way out to the edge there. Anyway, we're gonna put that back on top, and then we're gonna take some more sugar on this side and then put that on there. Then we're gonna take this other side and we're gonna hook it, and we're gonna slowly close it, because what it's gonna do is gonna push that bread out. It's too big. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take, you can use a butter knife, you can use a regular knife, whatever. You're just going to trim that bread off. See how easy that bread comes right off? You just go around, because that's going to burn and everything. So we're going to take this over to the fire and get it going. Let's go. So today we're using a firebox stove. You can use a fire pit or, campfire, your stove and everything, like I said earlier. But we're going to use this today, and basically what you're going to do, you'll put it on there, let it go for 2 or 3 minutes, check it. If it needs to go a little bit longer, go ahead and let it a little bit longer. It depends on how hot your coals are. If your fire or your coals are very hot, it's going to take less time, obviously. But you just want to keep checking on it. If you smell it burning, you might want to pull it off. But we're going to let this go for a couple minutes, and I'm going to check it, and we'll come right back. All right, folks, it's been a few minutes. I've actually had to soak the fire to get it to come up because it was taking a little bit. But anyway, it depends on how hot your fire is and where it's at in relation to the coals or the source of heat. But anyway, I'm going to turn this over, and I'm going to show you how it's coming along, so you can see how it's coming along. So I'm going to close this up, and we're going to leave it on this side for another 2 or 3 minutes, and we'll check it. All right, guys, it's been another few minutes, and I'm going to check it here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, I'm going to say that's probably done. So let's see if I can show it to you here a little bit better. Anyway, let's take this and we'll put it on the plate. All right, folks, let's see how it turned out. How does that look to you? There we go. Got a little bit overdone there, but anyway, we're gonna let this cool off, and then we're gonna cut it open and see how it turned out. All right, let's cut this open. There we go. Let's give it a try. That's so good. I don't know if you can see any of the steam coming off of there or not, but it's almost like, you ever have one of those apple pies at McDonald's? It's better, but it's very similar. But whatever your favorite type of pie is, you can make it. Might try with the pastry dough. I don't know if that'll make it even better. I might try that some other time. But you don't have to have, you don't have to be camping to do this. You can do it in your backyard like I am. And you can do it on a campfire, you can do it on a stove, and I'm probably going to do some inside. So I'll probably make another one later inside the house. So anyway, hope y'all have a good one, and we'll talk to you later. Make sure you subscribe down below and hit that like button, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.